And still on matters agriculture, livestock farmers from Lake Region have received a major boost following the launch of an innovative platform that will help them access essential vaccines. The initiative, to be piloted in Kisumu for the next 7 months, also seeks to revolutionize livestock vaccine distribution across East Africa. Bramwell Bure with the details.
Livestock diseases causes annual losses of about 25% of animals, yet less than 15% of smallholder farmers cannot obtain these crucial vaccines due to high transportation costs, a congested supply chain, and an inadequate cold chain infrastructure. It is against this backdrop that after remarkable success in Ghana, that the innovation revolutionized the animal health sector, that Cowtribe East Africa opted to employ innovative technologies such as drones to expedite vaccines deliveries and ensure timely and high-quality access to farmers in Kenya.
And therefore, we try to shorten the time that it takes for a farmer to receive vaccines. It also to be fast and also ensure that it maintains the quality the vaccine is required to have before it's actually administered to an animal. So we are happy actually to be here, and starting off with Kisumu, Cowtribe will be working in 8 counties around the Lake region. This is the Lake Economic Block.
Gillian Koech is the Director General of Cowtribe. She says that the project will start in Kisumu and expands to 8 counties in the Lake Region Economic Block, including Siaya, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Kericho, and Nyamira. Koech adds that Cowtribe's model has proven to be highly effective with expedited delivery at no charge through a highly automated, low-cost virtual vaccine dispensary system.
And we are in partnership with Zipline, who are providing the logistical end of the vaccines to go to the farmer. We are a full systemized company, so the farmers get registered online using an application which they download on their phone. They're able to register themselves. They're able to even define the type of livestock that they have, if it's how many goats, how many sheep, how many cows. So we're able to get that data properly, which also helps when it comes to vaccine production and also when we are monitoring animal diseases that can affect animals.
According to Kisumu Deputy Governor Matthew Willie, the Cowtribe innovation will play a pivotal role in enhancing livestock health and consequently improve the livelihoods of farming communities.
But we have many areas that are underserved, okay? As she has just said, there are many places where, we cannot access, okay, using the conventional means. And so the drone technology, leveraging on the drone technology that has been in Kisumu for some time now, will help Cowtribe and of course the county government of Kisumu and other counties. She's talked about working in 8 counties, have a better reach to the farmers in terms of just ensuring that we have 100% vaccination.
To the farmers who graced the event, it was a relief, as the process of accessing the vaccine is expensive and tiresome, especially when one owns lots of animals. Bramwell Bire, KTN News, Kisumu.
Now, the Nairobi Green Army has firmly denied allegations that they are planning to hold demonstrations on August 7th due to